What's up, riders? Today on Motor Mania, we're getting into the nitty-gritty of the brand new 2025 50cc dirt bike, small engine, big attitude. Whether you're a beginner looking for your first ride, a parent shopping for a young ripper, or just a fan of lightweight off-road machines, this one's worth a closer look. Now, right off the bat, 50cc might not sound like much. But don't let that fool you. This little beast is packing some serious fun. The 2025 model brings a fresh design, updated components, and improved performance across the board. Let's start with the engine. It's got a 50cc two-stroke motor with a smooth throttle response and enough low-end torque to get you up small hills and over bumps with ease. Perfect for younger riders or anyone who wants a confidence-building bike. Kickstart is still the norm here, but it's been refined this year. It feels lighter and more responsive, so you're not stuck kicking away forever. The gearbox is a 3-speed semi-automatic, great for learning how to shift without dealing with a clutch just yet. The transitions are smooth, and there's enough gearing to have fun without overwhelming a beginner. This setup makes it a solid stepping stone before moving up to the bigger bikes. Suspension's gotten a nice upgrade for 2025. Up front, we've got upside-down forks that actually soak up bumps really well for a bike in this class. On the rear, it's a mono-shock with preload adjustability. It's not pro-level, but for what this bike is built for, trail rides, backyard tracks, and light motocross, it holds up impressively well. The frame is still lightweight, high-tensile steel. It's got a solid feel without being too heavy for smaller riders. You'll notice a better balance this year too. The weight distribution's been refined to give better control and handling, especially on tight turns or technical terrain. Let's talk wheels and tires. The bike rolls on 10-inch rear and 12-inch front knobbies, classic setup for a 50cc dirt bike. The tires grip well in loose dirt and gravel, and they're durable enough to take some punishment. Brakes are disc front and rear, which is a huge plus at this level. They're surprisingly responsive, giving good stopping power without being too grabby for beginners. And yeah, the styling, this thing looks sharp. Bold new graphics, a more aggressive front fender, and a slim profile that makes it look like a mini racer. It's the kind of bike that turns heads at the local track or trailhead, even if it's just a 50. Seat height is around 22 inches, which is pretty much ideal for younger or shorter riders. It gives them the control they need while still leaving room to grow. And speaking of growth, this bike can keep up with a rider's skill for a while before they need to upgrade. That's a big win for parents who don't want to swap bikes every season. Fuel tank's about 1 liter, which might not sound like a lot, but for a 50cc engine, that's enough for a solid day of riding. It sips fuel pretty efficiently, so you're not constantly refilling. So who's this bike for? It's perfect for kids just getting into dirt bikes, but also for adults who want a compact pit bike for fun around the camp or track. Whether it's your first ride or your next fun toy, the 2025 50cc dirt bike punches above its weight class. And at the price point it's sitting at, it's hard to beat. You're getting reliability, style, and solid performance without breaking the bank. It's proof that you don't need a massive engine to have a blast on 2 wheels. That's a wrap on this one. If you're thinking about jumping into the world of dirt biking or picking something up for your kid, the 2025 50cc should absolutely be on your radar. Let us know what you think in the comments, and if there's a specific model you want us to cover next, hit us up.